Hey, welcome back with Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Do you know that we can design excellent 3D objects with Adobe Illustrator? This tutorial is about that. Okay, today let's design a simple apple. First, draw a half apple using pen tool. Then, let's see the magical part. Go to Effects, 3D and Materials. Click Revolve. Woo! This is your 3D apple. Okay, now let's its material properties. Select a material of seems like an apple's appearance. Select the color. Then set the other properties, especially the surface roughness. Okay, next, let's set light settings. First, active the shadow. And select a lightning angle. Then you can adjust the light intensity, rotation, height, softness, and other properties. And click this button to get rendered result. And expand the apple. Now, let's design the leaf. Draw the leaf using pen tool. And group all the parts, and apply 3D effects. Adjust the depth, volume, and angle of the leaf. And get the rendered result. You can design a super realistic 3D design without any 3D modeling software from this way. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.